Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert comma in Microsoft Publisher document. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to insert comma in this document. Click any text. Now I click this text. Then press comma on our keyboard. Comma is present by the M letter side. You can try some another letters. Press comma on our keyboard. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.